What if just for today you could let go of everything weighing you down? Imagine your mind as clear as the early morning sky, free, present, powerful. You are about to begin a new journey, a hero's journey, not through distant words, but deep within yourself. In just 10 minutes, we'll transform your stress into strength, your worries into energy, and your morning into a fresh new beginning. Take this step for you. Are you ready to become the hero of your own day? Your journey starts now. Settle into your seat or lie back. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale, letting your shoulders drop. Feel your body supported by the earth beneath you. Today you set your intention to let go. With every breath, imagine releasing one layer of stress, one by one. Every hero faces challenge. Feel the tension, the worries, the heaviness you carry. Breathe in. And as you exhale, visualize these stresses fading into mist. Your heart beats with courage. You are awake, alive, and open to change. Whisper to yourself, I am ready to let go. Today my journey begins. The world outside is quiet. In this safe space, you decide to release what you can't control. With each breath, your mind grows lighter, your heart steadier. Visualize a gentle river carrying away your worries, old mistakes, regrets, doubts. See them drifting downstream, further away. Repeat after me. I trust the flow of life. I am free in this moment. Obstacles arise. Stress tries to return, but you are not your stress. Imagine yourself strong, rooted like a great tree in a gentle wind. Feel your resilience. your adaptability. Affirm quietly, challenges are opportunities. I grow stronger and calmer with each breath. You have crossed through tension into a field of possibility. Visualize golden sunlight filling your body, warming your chest. Spreading to your limbs, your mind. Each morning ray, a blessing. Each breath, a promise. Repeat after me. Today, I am energized. I choose peace. Everything I need is within me. Picture yourself accomplishing your day's tasks, radiating calm and confidence. Notice how your body feels, unburdened and light. Your true power revealed. Every hero returns renewed and ready. Feel the new energy inside you, a steady flame. One final deep breath in. Draw in all the warmth and strength this journey has offered you. As you breathe out, imagine sharing this calm with everyone you meet today. Whisper, I carry peace with me always. I am present. I am grateful. I am unstoppable. Before you rise to meet the world, hold on to this new sense of peace. You have started your hero's journey. But there's another, even deeper adventure waiting for you. In just a moment, I'll show you how everything, absolutely everything, can begin working out for you. Starting with the power of your own thoughts. Are you ready for the next step? As you open your eyes, stretch gently, wiggle your fingers, and look around. Remember, Every morning is a new beginning. You have released the old, and now it's time to invite new positivity in. If you are ready to truly experience how all good things can align for you, click over to my next guided meditation. Everything is working out for me. Positive morning affirmations. Let's take this newfound peace and transform your entire day. Together, subscribe, like, and share your journey in the comments, because your story inspires others too. Your next adventure is just one breath and click away.